6:01 now, and those storms that rolled through overnight actually did some damage across the metro.
This is video from Fontanelle Boulevard and Curtis Avenue where strong winds knocked a tree down in the middle of the road. It happened around 2 o'clock this morning just as the storm was passing through.
And we also had several reports of some house fires out in northwest Omaha that may have been lightning related. Fortunately, though, in each case, the fire did not spread to the interior of the home and there was no major damage. Well, with the worst of the storms now behind us this morning, there are still actually a number of people experiencing power outages.
Now, taking a look at the current outage reports from OPPD, around 1,800 customers in Douglas County are now without power. There are 100 outage reports in Sarpy County and more than 900 in Washington County.
And in Council Bluffs, Mid-American Energy is reporting about 400 power outages at this hour.